Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's still your babe, Chidema Blessing Lifestyle. Okay guys, today in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I cook this delicious, yummicious, if there's something like that, stir-fried pasta. So if you want to know how I cook this stir-fried pasta, please, this video is for you and watch this video to the end. So let's go. First of all, I started by cutting my meat. I use beef for this recipe. You can use any protein you have, maybe chicken, but this one I have at home, so I use it. Then I started by marinating the meat. I added my ingredients, call it thyme, garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, salt, my Maggi seasoning, mix everything very well. Then cover it for a while to marinate. Yes, you can use any spices you have, but this one I use, I'm telling you guys. So after that, I leave it for a while to marinate. Then I proceed to cut my veggies. I have carrots, bell peppers, and spring onions. I did everything off camera. Then prep my other ingredients off camera like onions, pepper, garlic, and ginger, fresh one. Then keep it aside. Then in the pot I'll be using to cook the pasta, I added in cooking oil in a dry pot. Then heat up the oil. Then transferred in my beef. Then fry on a high medium heat for this chicken to be done. Then the other side of pot or stove, that's where I'll be cooking my pasta. I added my oil, salt, then transfer in my pasta to be cooking there. Yes, every of us know how to cook pasta, so I don't need to talk much on that one. So I went back to the beef, stir very well. You have to continue stirring at interval till the meat is properly done. Yes. So when the meat is properly done, then the next thing you have to do is to scoop the meat out from the pot, then proceed to nesting. So in other, so you can see I'm putting in the pasta now. See, that's when I'm putting the pasta because the water have boiled at this time. Then I put the quantity of pasta I needed, then cover it, allow it to cook, to start continue cooking. Though I went back to the pasta again to stir it so that it will not really stick together. Meanwhile, the oil I added in pasta is to help the pasta not to stick together. So that's it. I just want to explain, but I know all of us know how to cook pasta. So coming back to the pot of my I used for the pasta, so I've stirred the meat very well. Yeah. So this chicken is a leftover chicken I have in the house. So it's a soft chicken though. So I just debone it, pieces it. I want to add it to the pot of the pasta as well. So I just want to show you guys this clip in case you see me adding it. So I came back to the beef. At this time, my meat is properly cooked or done. So I scoop it out from the pot. Yes. So the next thing I'll do is to start frying my other ingredients I will use for the pasta. So I have the top up oil in the pot. Then when the oil heats up, I transferred in my well sliced onions. Stir for a while. Then when it's cooked, then when it's fried for some minutes, then I transferred it in my pounded pepper, garlic and ginger. Yeah, that's pepper, this garlic and ginger. Then I transferred everything to the pot, fry for a while for that aroma too. Then after stirring for a while, then I'll pour in my carrots. Yes, I don't put everything together like carrot and the bell peppers because I believe all of them have their own cooking time. So here I'm putting my curry and thyme, stir very very well before adding the carrots and you see the shapes or the sizes I sliced my vegetable. As I said, I transfer carrot first because I believe carrot is more strong. So the cooking time with the bell peppers are not the same thing. So I just fry the carrot for a while. then transfer in my bell peppers, then stir everything again. Just for this vegetable, you don't need to cook it for a long time. Then I stir for some minutes. Then add in my seasoning cube. I use no beef here because I know I'm cooking with beef. That's me. So adding my no beef seasoning, stir. Then this the leftover chicken I show you guys earlier. I've pieces it, then pour in everything as well. Then I added my sauce. Yeah, so this oyster sauce. Then I added. I used two sauce, oyster sauce and what the name again? The soy sauce. Yeah, so I've added oyster sauce. I'm adding soy sauce here. You can skip this part if you want. Yeah, it's not a must, you must add. So, but if you have it, it's still good. It's good for the pasta too. You can add your own. Then after that, I transfer in back the beef into the pot, stir for a while, then add my spring onions, stir, then back I introduce the pasta. So now I've added my pasta. I start stirring. This is where the work is because you have to mix everything properly till everything is well combined or well mixed. I don't know how to say it, but I think you guys understand what I'm saying. So you keep on mixing till everything. So here I have to go and get another spoon to help me so that I can easily mix everything. Meanwhile, my stove is still on, now in medium heat. So I keep on mixing till everything's well properly mixed. Then you test for salt or any seasoning because soy sauce and oyster sauce they have their own salt. So anytime I'm using it to cook, I don't normally put salt immediately because I know I've already put seasoning and the beef and all of them get its own salt. So I tested for salt, then I have to adjust my seasoning, added more salt, then mix properly. Did you see the look of this food at this time? Oh my god, the aroma in the house now, it was something else. Oh my god, the food came out very nice, tasted good, the look and everything came out very well. So guys, at this time my stir fry pasta is ready. So come and join us and enjoy this delicious yummy stir fry pasta. Thank you guys, I love you guys. Please, if you watch this video to this end and you have not subscribed my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to know whenever I posted a new video. Please like, share and comment. I love you guys. Remain blessed. Bye.